Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to explore another fascinating topic. Construction isn't just about bricks and mortar anymore. It's about scale, strength, and innovation. The machines we use today on major construction and mining sites are more than just tools. They're mechanical beasts capable of moving mountains, lifting skyscraper components, and reshaping landscapes with sheer force. These machines operate on such a massive scale that they challenge our very definition of what's possible. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at 10 construction machines so powerful they redefine heavy work. Some of them are so huge they dwarf buildings. Others are so precise they can dig a tunnel under a city without disturbing the surface above. One thing is certain, after watching this list, you'll never look at construction the same way again. First, Bagger 293, the world's largest land vehicle. Let's kick things off with a true legend. The Bagger 293, a bucket wheel excavator built in Germany by Tackraft. This is not just a machine, it's the largest land vehicle ever built by humans. Standing at over 310 feet tall and 740 feet long, it's taller than the Statue of Liberty and longer than 2 football fields placed end to end. Weighing in at more than 14,000 tons, the Bagger 293 can move an incredible 240,000 cubic meters of soil per day. That's the equivalent of digging a massive stadium-sized hole daily. Despite its size, it operates with surprising precision thanks to its 20 rotating buckets and massive conveyor belt system. Used primarily in lignite mining, the Bagger 293 is a symbol of industrial might on a scale that's hard to imagine. 2. Liebherr LR13000, the world's strongest crawler crane. Next on our list is the Liebherr LR13000, one of the most powerful and tallest crawler cranes ever made. It has a lifting capacity of up to 3,000 tons, which is more than 20 Boeing 737s. This crane is used in some of the most demanding construction projects in the world, including nuclear reactor assembly, wind farm installation, and oil refinery construction. What sets the LR13000 apart is that it's both incredibly powerful and mobile. It can be disassembled, transported in parts, and reassembled at different job sites. Its massive derrick system, combined with a unique slewing ring and counterweights, ensures stability and pinpoint accuracy, even when performing lifts hundreds of feet in the air. It's the kind of crane that makes other cranes look small. 3. Caterpillar 797F, the king of mining trucks. Say hello to the Cat 797F, a heavy-duty mining truck that's a true colossus. This truck can haul 400 tons of material in a single load. That's the weight of over 300 compact cars. With a 4,000 horsepower engine, the 797F moves mountains, literally. Used in some of the world's largest open-pit mining operations, this truck is designed for long-term durability in extreme environments. Its massive tires, each standing 13 feet tall, are so expensive that one alone costs around $50,000. And yet these trucks are workhorses operating day and night in some of the harshest terrains imaginable. For mining crews, the 797F isn't just a truck, it's a lifeline. 4. Kamasu D575A3 Superdozer, the Earth Mover. Nicknamed the Superdozer, the Kamasu D575A3 is the world's largest and most powerful bulldozer. This Japanese-made giant is capable of pushing 90 cubic yards of earth in a single pass. That's enough to fill a swimming pool. Its massive blade is over 24 feet wide and 11 feet tall, and it's powered by a 1,150 horsepower engine. Weighing around 300,000 pounds, this bulldozer is used primarily in surface mining and major infrastructure projects where high-volume earth moving is essential. Despite its size, it offers excellent maneuverability and can perform surprisingly delicate grading work. When you need to reshape an entire landscape, this is the machine you call. 5. Hitachi EX80006, the mining titan. One of the largest hydraulic excavators in the world, the Hitachi EX80006 is a mining monster weighing in at over 800,000 pounds. Powered by dual 1944 horsepower engines, It has a bucket capacity of over 52 cubic meters, which means it can dig out the volume of a full-size swimming pool in a single scoop. Its enormous steel arm and boom are reinforced to operate in the toughest conditions, from Arctic tundras to desert mines. It's often paired with massive haul trucks like the CAT 797F, creating a powerful 1-2 punch in large-scale mining operations. It's not fast, but it's relentless, built to operate 24/7 with minimal downtime. 6. PH41000XPC electric rope shovel, the production workhorse. Built by Kamasu, the PH41000XPC is an electric rope shovel known for its ability to load haul trucks in record time. Its huge dipper bucket holds up to 73 cubic yards of material per pass. This machine is not about finesse, it's about sheer productivity. Electric-powered rather than diesel, it offers cost savings and environmental advantages in long-term mining operations. It's a critical component in large-scale surface mines where output is everything. Engineers specifically designed it for speed, durability, and minimal operator fatigue, even under intense workloads. 7. TYSON, the record-breaking gantry crane. When it comes to lifting power, TYSON in China takes the crown. This fixed gantry crane holds the world record for the heaviest lift ever, hoisting more than 20,000 tons in a single operation. Built for the construction of offshore oil platforms, TYSON eliminates the need to build structures in smaller pieces and then assemble them at sea. Instead, full platforms are constructed on land and lifted in one go, dramatically improving efficiency and safety. TYSON is more than just strong. It represents a shift in how we think about modular construction at the industrial level. 8. Bertha, the giant tunnel boring machine. Named after Seattle's first female mayor, Bertha was the largest tunnel boring machine TBM in the world when it launched. Measuring 57.5 feet in diameter and weighing over 6,700 tons, Bertha was used to bore a 2-mile tunnel beneath Seattle as part of a major highway replacement project. Operating beneath city streets, Bertha not only cut through soil and rock, but also installed concrete tunnel walls and removed debris through conveyor systems, all at once. These machines operate like underground cities using laser-guided navigation and robotic controls. It's not just about digging, it's about creating complex, secure infrastructure out of sight and out of mind. 9. Leuro L2350, the giant wheel loader. The Leuro L2350 is the largest wheel loader on the planet. With a bucket capacity of over 72 tons, it can load the bed of a mining truck in just a few scoops. This machine is used in open-pit mining for bulk material handling and is unmatched in terms of lifting power in its class. Standing over 20 feet tall and stretching 65 feet long, it's so massive it needs special transport arrangements just to reach the job site. Yet despite its immense size, it's surprisingly agile thanks to its articulated steering and high-traction wheels. 10th, trenchers, the silent earth cutters. Often overlooked, trenchers are among the most powerful yet underrated machines on any construction site. Whether it's the compact Barreto 1624 or the colossal Vermeer T1255, trenchers slice through soil, clay, and even solid rock to create perfectly shaped trenches for pipes, cables, and utilities. Large trenchers use steel chains with carbide-tipped teeth to grind through material with surgical precision. They can dig hundreds of meters in a day with minimal crew and disruption to surrounding areas. They're essential for everything from laying fiber optic lines to building oil pipelines, and they get the job done fast. These construction machines don't just redefine heavy work, they redefine what's possible. Each one is a masterpiece of design, engineering, and sheer power. From towering cranes to earth-devouring dozers, these machines are the reason cities rise. Tunnels stretch across countries, and raw materials become usable infrastructure. Without them, progress would grind to a halt. So, which one impressed you the most? Would you ever want to see one of these in action, or maybe even operate one someday? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world's most powerful construction machines, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more jaw-dropping engineering content every week. Thanks for watching, and remember, behind every modern marvel is a machine that made it happen.